Taking a look at our plans, we are working on the armrest. We have taken care of the connection point at the front of the bench, which is done with a dowel. The connection point at the back of the bench is now what we are taking a look at. When we dry fit our side together, we installed 2 blocks that were identical lengths for the identical size of the opening. We added a variety of clamps, and specifically we added 1 clamp onto the armrest and the back leg to make sure that we are flush on the other side of the project. Now at this connection point, we will have 1 screw running through the project from the rear of the back leg into the armrest. Temporarily, I'm going to remove my clamp and mark at the connecting point for my armrest. And I'm then going to transfer those marks down. And to pinpoint the center location, we can use our X method. And any clamps we moved can be replaced. And we do want a clear path for drilling, so our clamp holding the curved portion of the armrest needs to be pushed out of the way a little bit. We can then use a 3/8 inch Forstner bit to drill about 3/8 inch deep. We can then follow that with a 1/8 inch pilot hole bit. We want to drill a little bit deeper than the length of the screw. The screw is 2.5 inches long. Now we are also drilling at just a slight angle because we want to go squarely into the armrest. And then we can slowly install the screw just until it's snug, listening for any cracking or popping of the lumber. Removing our clamps, the dry assembly process with that rear screw is complete.